Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out stats and trends on the expenses application of your expenses and income. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select a sheet from the Sheets section. Then you should tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the first option, Stats. So here you can find all of the items about your expenses and income. You can check this out. If you want to, you can tap on this filter icon in the upper left corner to check out the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly stats. As you go back to the previous section and click on the three dots icon again, tap on trends, and here you can find the trends of your last 14 days, and you can also check out the income trends as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.